Assalamu-Alaikum, my viewers. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I hope and I pray that each one of you are doing good, taking care of yourselves, and trying to cope with what you have been offered for your journey. Each one of us, our journey is different. My dear viewers, every one of us, our journey is different. And we have to be thankful for what we have and what's been given to us. Because Allah SWT has created each one of us differently. And He's written our destiny, and it's all different. So be thankful for what you have. Doesn't matter how good or how bad it is, be thankful. And if it's trying and you are being tried and tested, you beg Him for patience. And if you're happy, please don't forget Him. Because we must keep Allah SWT close to our hearts at every moment. When we do that, everything else in life becomes easy. So make sure if you have God in your life will become better. Sometimes it doesn't seem that way. Because sometimes you pray a lot, and sometimes, but Allah SWT knows you. And He only gives you what He knows you can handle. So, that's my little sermon for today. I am so happy you're here with me. Thank you for being with me. And today I'm excited because I want to show you how I got this really beautiful look. Very beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And I want to share that with you and how I got this look. So please do stay with me. It's a simple, easy, quick look. And I want to make this fast. And I want to share with you how I got it. So stay with me. Okay, my viewers, I'm going to show you how I got that nice look. And what we're going to do is today I've got my ninja. And because the ninja has a crisscross, I've put this cap on. And with the cap, this is the scarf. It is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, quick. I don't want to be very long. I have to go. I have to be out of here very quickly. So I'm not going to take too much of your time. So I'm going to make this side very, very short. See that? Very short. And it's got tassels on the end. It's beautiful. It's so light for the weather we're having now. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to leave a little bit of it showing. And I'm going to just put 2 stick pin here. And bear with me while I try to find a matching one. Okay. I'm going to put one here. I did not get it. Look at that. Again, we'll try that again. Got that. And now we're going to put another one on this side, making sure it is the same width of showing the on the scarf. Beautiful. Now we've got that done. What we're going to do is leave this here. And we're going to bring this around. And as we bring it around, we bring it with a small little fold. But I don't want it as tight. I want it a bit loose. So let's start that again. I'm going to wrap it a bit loose. Because I want that, like I showed you, I want that loose look. but I want to make sure that everything is nicely covered. And we have some coverage in the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. See, the fabric is so beautiful on this scarf that you don't need to do much with it. You just basically, it's a little effort to give it a nice wrap. And then you have all that fabric here to work with. Now, because we have the ninja on and we're trying to give it a nice loose look here, see, the ninja is here, so you don't have to worry about your neck showing. And you just bring it across nicely with the fold. And now you've got this really pretty look. This is sitting here. See that? I like that. See that? And that's it. We don't need any more pins. We can just leave it like that. It will stay in place. My dear viewers, how simple was that? It's very easy, very quick. You have nothing showing, and we are done. Basically, all we did was we pin it here, and this is left loose because it's the summer. It's giving you nice, you have room to breathe. The ninja is cotton, so it's not anything that you can't handle. And even if you don't want to wear that, then all you would do is pull that up a little bit tighter to cover your neck. But because I've got my ninja, I'm leaving that to give it that nice loose look. And all you do is you wrap it and you bring it across. See the back? See how beautiful that is? How beautiful is that? It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. I love it. I hope you will like that too, and try it because it's simple, very simple. 2 stick pins, and we've got a nice wrap, and we're ready to go. Well, I hope you like that, and I hope you enjoy that, because I enjoy bringing it to you and showing you a little bit of a different way of wrapping your hijab and making it look beautiful and presentable and still covered. My dear viewers, if you like that, please make sure you share, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And like I always say to you, if you share this video and one of your sisters or your friends get encouraged to put this hijab on, you are going to create a whole lot of, avenues for yourself for blessings from here to the akhirah, because you would help a sister to put the hijab on. It's priceless. So my dear viewers, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and tick off the all so that you will get all the notifications of when I upload. I thank each and every one of you for being with me on their journey. You are beautiful, all of you, every one of you. So stay with me and let's build this together. It's building beautifully. And I have a whole lot of things I want to share with you on this platform. I'm a hijabi, and I'm a very proud hijabi, but I'm also, I'm a housewife, I'm a mom, I'm everything. So we have daily lives, and I want to share a whole lot of you because I have a whole lot of experience. So stay with me, okay? Until we meet again, please do stay safe. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and make the best of every moment. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.